How to buy Trump mobile token or mobile token. So this token came under the symbol of T1. Now, before we start, this is not financial based. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy token address. As you can see, this token address is under the base section. Now open your BITGET wallet for that, and as you can see from the top right corner, click here and select the base network. Now click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now before going to add it to your wallet, make sure to read the risk here. Now if you are ready to go, what you need to do, just click here on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called T1. Now, after you find it, what you need to do is just click on it and now click here on swap. Switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC. And now you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy T1 token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.